Hey everyone, it's Tina Petersen with the Uncommon Ground Helena Bozeman team, and today I'm going to show you how Jordan and I make our warm spiced cider. As Andrea had mentioned in her Thanksgiving post, this is a tradition for us every single year. We make this throughout the fall and holiday season. So I've already put a gallon of fresh pressed apple cider in my pot. Make sure you use cider and not apple juice. And to that I'm going to go ahead and add 2/3 cup of brown sugar. And then I'm going to add 4 whole cinnamon sticks, 10 allspice berries, and 6 whole cloves. And then the secret ingredient is 2 chunks of freshly peeled fresh ginger, and you're going to cut those in about 1.5 to 1.5 inch chunks, and those will go in there also. And then after we're done simmering it, I do have a couple of oranges that are sliced up that we'll put in after. So I'm going to just stir this up and get it on the stove and simmer it for 20 minutes. So our cider is done simmering for its 20 minutes, and now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to either scoop out or strain out all of the spices and the ginger. And this is a recipe that's great to take with you, super popular at potlucks, or if you're going to go out sledding, you can just strain the spices and ginger out and throw it in your pump pot or your thermos, and then you can take your orange slices with you and go ahead and throw an orange slice in with each glass. But here I'm going to serve it warm at home, so I'm just going to add my oranges and then go ahead and just ladle it up and serve. And I thank you so much for watching our video on how to make warm spiced cider. I hope you try the recipe. Thanks! Bye!